Hi, in this video, we will show you the steps to configure the StackBill application for first time. Login into your StackBill portal using your credentials. Provide the basic information about your organization and click Next. You need to provide the basic header information for your StackBill application. Also, you can define the initial maintenance message for your StackBill application. Save the changes. Provide the currency and date format informations and click Next. Provide the StackBill admin email information and click Next. Provide the email template for the StackBill application and click Next. We can set the template for different type of email events. Provide the credit limit for trial and live access of StackBill application. Provide the resource quota limits for trial and live settings. Configure the invoice settings for StackBill clients. Provide the PayPal gateway configuration and click Next. In the final screen, you need to provide the CloudStack information. It will export all the CloudStack configuration to the StackBill. After successful completion, you will be redirected to the login page. Login into the StackBill application using the admin credentials. StackBill application has been configured successfully. Thanks for watching this video.